Welcome back to Cassidys Craveable Creations. Today we're making a low-carb and paleo chicken pot pie soup that is comfort in a bowl. Today we're going to be making the soup in the Instant Pot, but I also have instructions on how to make it in the stovetop on my website. And you can find the link to the full recipe with both variations in the description below. I'm really excited about this recipe because it's so delicious and good. It tastes like it should be really bad for you, but it's actually healthy and can be made not only paleo, but low carb, keto, and Whole30 friendly. Hi, I'm Cassidy and this is my husband Caleb.
Hi.
And on this channel we share healthy but delicious keto and paleo recipes that are gluten-free, grain-free, and mostly dairy-free. So if these are your kind of recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by chopping up the vegetables. Yeah, we'll just cut them lengthwise and then chop them into little bite-sized pieces so we don't have huge chunks of carrots in our soup. Okay, same thing for the celery. We'll just cut the ends off, and then these are kind of large, so we'll cut them down the middle and then just do small slices again, exactly like we did the carrots.
Oh boy.
Oh wow, this one's really
Which way do I
strong.
cut it?
Down.
I can't see. Hopefully your fingers aren't in the way.
They're not. Wow, that's like the strongest onion ever.
Like this, right?
Yes, I can barely see. Everything's blurry and burning. I can't see anything.
I can't see a thing. I can't see a thing.
Okay, so we finally got the onion chopped. I had to go wipe my eyes because my mascara was running down my face. It was so strong.
Mine too.
Your mascara? You wear mascara now? What do I not know?
The watery, the eye watery.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I just pushed the saute button on the Instant Pot, and if you want to add the butter. And for paleo, some people will eat grass-fed butter, some people won't, but you can substitute oil or non-dairy butter or ghee, whatever works for your diet here. Okay, so as this melts, we're going to add all the vegetables that we chopped. It's normally not that much. I think I mentioned earlier that I'm doubling the recipe, so I want like a huge pot to last us a long time. Okay, so we're gonna add oh, this is scary. The onion, the carrot, and the celery. Oh no, my eyes are going to start watering again. Okay.
Get those
I have
onions away
never
from me.
been around such a strong onion in my life. It's crazy. Okay. Oh man. Oh no. They're going everywhere.
Cooking is messy. Everybody knows that.
Yeah. Okay. So we're going to let this simmer, or saute actually, and for probably 3 to 5 minutes. And then we'll meet you back here when all these vegetables are nice and tender. Oh, this smells really good, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
All the vegetables are nice and tender. Okay, so now let's add garlic to make it smell even better.
No, yeah.
Oh, this thing doesn't fit very good. Okay.
Cooking is messy.
Yeah. And
What
we
else?
just want to let this saute for probably about 30 seconds till you can like just really smell it and it becomes fragrant. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, I can smell it now. Okay, so now that the garlic is also sauteed, I'm gonna push. Okay, cancel on the Instant Pot. Can you see cancel over there? Okay. Nice. Okay. So now we're gonna add the chicken broth. We have 2 cups, 4 cups for us since we're doubling it. You always like to know, look, not look when you pour. Okay, thank you. We have some bay leaves. Sorry, I'm taking your jaw off.
This is my area.
I'm sorry.
That's your area.
Okay, and chicken. 1.5 pounds of chicken. For us, this is 3 pounds. And I always use chicken breast, but I only could find chicken tenderloins. I forgot to buy some, and that's what I had in my freezer.
Splash.
So, and I always cook my chicken breast for 18 minutes, and then I let it naturally come to pressure for 5 minutes before I turn it. But with chicken tenderloins, I think I'm just gonna try 8 minutes and hope for the best. Okay, so we're just gonna put the lid on and we're gonna cook it at high pressure for 8 minutes, and then we're gonna let the pressure come down naturally for 5 minutes, and then we'll turn this little valve to venting to release the rest of the pressure. And while that's cooking, we are going to make the cream. So to make this chicken pot pie soup ultra thick and creamy, we are doubling down. We are going to use full fat canned coconut milk and steamed cauliflower. Or if you don't want to use steamed cauliflower, you can use raw cashews. Just be sure that they are raw and they're not salted and or roasted. For the coconut milk, we're going to put the recipe calls for 1 cup, but we're going to put 2 cups, and I already have some measured out for you there. And yeah, just stick it in there. Oh, good. Yeah, I recommend not putting the coconut milk in the fridge for this recipe because we don't really need the cream to separate. But I kind of forgot, and I took it out of the fridge late, so it was still a little bit separated. Some of the cream had come to the top, but it's no big deal. It'll all get blended up beautifully. Okay, and so for the other ingredient, I just got these nifty little bags that you can steam them in the microwave. But of course, if you don't want to use the bags that go in the microwave, you can just use cut cauliflower and put it in a steamer basket on the stove. You can do the frozen variety or the fresh variety.
3 of these.
Yeah, 3 of those. 3 of the steamed cauliflower. Okay, so let's just blend this until it's nice and smooth.
Oh man, that smells really good.
Ooh, it does smell so good.
Is that what we're having for dinner tonight?
Yes. He has that every single week.
Just making sure, so get ready.
No matter what I make. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take the chicken out, and you can shred it in that bowl. And while you do that, I'm going to add this cream that we mixed together to make it just really thick and creamy. It's going to be so good. And also, here, let me move this out of the way. I forgot to mention earlier that if you're not dairy free, you can use heavy whipping cream instead of the can of coconut milk.
Oh, it's shredding real nice.
Good. Yeah, I was a little worried. I'd never made the chicken tenderloins in this recipe, so I didn't know how 8 minutes would work, but 8 minutes worked perfect. And then we just let it naturally release pressure for 5 minutes, and then I flipped the switch and let all the rest of the steam out. Normally, I do chicken breast at 18 minutes, and that works perfect. I'm going to pour this in. Ooh, so creamy and rich. And buttery. I can see all that butter. It seems like a lot of butter, but I'm telling you, it tastes so good.
Can't have too much butter.
Can't have too much butter. It tastes so good. It gives it so much flavor. Okay, let's put it in.
Taking my job again. No.
Oh, okay. You did it. No, you did it. It's
to.
hot anyways, and I'll just help
I didn't want to do it if it was hot.
You asked for it.
Yikes.
It is hot, isn't it? I'm sorry.
Look at how good I shredded that.
You did shred it good. Okay, let's go get some.
Instrumental in this recipe.
Oh my goodness. He always says that too.
Because that's why I want to feel important.
You are important. You're my helper.
Thanks. Thank you.
So now let's add the seasonings. We have some thyme, salt, and pepper, and I used ground thyme. And definitely do not skimp out or skip the thyme because that is what I think makes it taste just so good. I absolutely love thyme in this recipe. And I also want to mention that if you want to make an authentic chicken pot pie with the crust, I'll put a link to it over Caleb's left-hand shoulder. Okay, let's put it in these bowls here. Oh, I'm spilling it everywhere. I always spill it. I don't know why. Ooh, I see some really big pieces of chicken in here.
No, they're shredded pretty awesome.
I don't know. That's okay. It was just that one piece, I think.
I shredded them.
That's okay because
really
I'm
good.
spilling soup everywhere. So look how creamy this looks.
Yep.
Oh, this looks so good. Okay, you ready to try it?
You know it.
It looks hot. I'm kind of scared.
It's super hot. I just want to let you know.
Did it burn you?
Yeah.
I haven't tried it yet. I'm blowing my first. I'm so scared. Mmm.
It's hot, right?
Yeah, it's very hot. But it's really good. It has a lot of flavor to it. What do you think? Do you like it?
Okay, it's hot, but I'm going to keep eating it because it is so awesome. It tastes so good.
Yeah. I really love this. I make this all the time.
Like a cold day, and then you're eating this. Perfect.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
It is perfect.
I'm just going to keep eating it if that's okay with you.
Okay, keep eating
Even though I
it.
burnt my mouth 3 times.